Understanding Harmony in the World, a Guide to Global Unity. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a beautiful concept that resonates deeply with many of us: harmony in the world. This phrase embodies the idea of living in peace and unity, but there's so much more to it. Let's explore what it truly means to achieve harmony on a global scale and why it's so crucial for our collective future. Stay with us as we unravel the essence of this powerful concept. Harmony, in its broadest sense, refers to a state of balance, peace, and agreement among different elements or groups. When we talk about harmony in the world, we're envisioning a global society where individuals, communities, and nations coexist peacefully, respecting each other's differences and working together towards common goals. This idea goes beyond merely avoiding conflict. It's about creating a positive environment where diversity is celebrated and every voice is valued. In today's interconnected world, the significance of global harmony cannot be overstated. It's essential for addressing many of the challenges we face, from climate change to social inequality and international conflicts. Harmonious relationships among nations enable us to collaborate more effectively on these pressing issues, leading to sustainable solutions that benefit everyone. Moreover, harmony fosters a sense of belonging and support, improving our overall well-being and happiness. Achieving global harmony may seem like a daunting task, but it starts with simple, everyday actions. Here are a few ways we can all contribute to a more harmonious world. Promote understanding and tolerance. Learn about different cultures, traditions, and perspectives. Open-mindedness and empathy are key to building bridges between diverse communities. Support conflict resolution. Encourage peaceful solutions to disputes, whether in personal relationships, within communities, or between nations. Advocate for fairness and justice. Work towards a more equitable world by supporting initiatives that address social inequalities and advocate for human rights. Harmony in the world is an ambitious but achievable goal. It requires effort from each of us, but the rewards, a more peaceful, just, and sustainable world, are immeasurable. We hope this video has inspired you to think about the role you can play in fostering global harmony. Remember, every small action counts. Together, we can create a harmonious world for ourselves and future generations. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content like this.